All right, everybody. So on 516, it's the same kind of thing we've been looking at the previous couple problems. So we're taking our amount, which in this case is 100% is $30. We're going to find out the different percentages and then determine how much this right here would be and how much this right here would be, as well as how much would this be and how much this would be. So the first thing is you're taking 100% and you're dividing it into a total of 10 pieces. You can count and see that you actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I take 100 and divide it by 10, I'm going to get 10, which means every one of these is 10%. And then to do that, I'm going to do the same thing with my 30. I'm dividing 100 by 10 to get 10%, so I take 30 and divide it by 10, and I'm going to get $3, which means this would be 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27. Now, for the answers that are missing in this ruler, they're asking you how much this much of the ruler would be. And the answer is, we'll have to go from $0, which is 0%, to $24, it would be $24. For this section up here, the same idea. They're asking you how much this much of the percent ruler would be in reference to dollars. So this is 2 pieces, each piece is $3. This section is going to be $6. But you can also tell because if this part of the ruler is 24 and 100% is 30, it's going to have to take $6 more to get there. On the bottom, the same idea. You have your percents. This is 80% of the ruler, and this represents 2 of those pieces, which are each 10%, which is 20% total. Now the last part of this is, it says you're supposed to make statements in reference to this. So for the first one here, 20% of 30 is, well, if we know we have our ruler laid out here, well, here's 20%. 20% of 30 is going to be $6. The next question, what percent of 30 is 24? So again, going back to our ruler, there's 24. That is going to be 80%. And finally, 10% of 30 is what? So again, here's 10%. 10% is equal to $3.